Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. We have seen how to use the Dismember feature. Now it's time to know when you should use it, when it's useful. So here I have a genuine extract of mine. This is from the Supermemo documentation. And I have all of those element types and pictures already. So what I'm going to do, if I do the extract here, yes, I will have the picture I want, but I will have more. That's not exactly what I want. So what I will do in this case, from a topic level, not an item level, I will do the decompose. So edit, I will do the, so instead of doing in an item level, in a topic level, I will do the dismember. So right click, edit, dismember. And I only want the first one, the HTML component. So this will save me a ton of time, not creating the elements, that will be about 9 or 10, but removing the unwanted images. Okay, do you see what happened here? It's just dummy. That's because one was empty. I didn't notice that, no worries. Then, in this case I have only this one. Okay, so I will do the extract of this one. So I delete the rest and I make the close deletion. And here will be, what does that mean? This is very tiny. And yeah, the L-plate icons indicate items. Then the same here. Oh, this is for topics, right? So I will delete this. Indicate what? And that's the flashcard I get. The T-plate icons indicate what? Topics. Then I can get rid of what I get. Okay. Keep in mind this image is prone to be gone, to be lost. That's what I want, image components. That's the use case. So the difference is that, hey, sometime in the past I added all of them, but now I made the decision that I want to extract all of them. That's why I do the split. I do the dismember. Another flow would be that I do the extract. Let's do this case, the sky blue. So I do it like this. Then let me delete the component. And now I do extract that. Hey, now I insert this. Because now I'm more familiar with incremental reading. I know how it works. I can do it like that. So I do not need dismember. But sometimes could be, oh shoot, I didn't know that such feature, and I added all of them, like this. Well, I can do dismember to undo this. Or perhaps it was, even if I knew that, it was because back then for me it was not that relevant, and yeah, let me add them, and everything like a preview is enough. But later, because of incrementalism, then I realized, oh shoot, that's really important to know. I want one flashcard for each one. I want to really know the difference with the 3 T's, but only the color is different. Oh yeah, I want to keep that. But oh shoot, I have made prior decisions that I have modified the source, like in this case, Ctrl F8 to import the images. And sometimes it's, oh wow, even have already topic memorized, so the name, I spent some time naming the files in the registry as image registry members. Oh shoot, I don't want to waste that time that I did in the past, that I spent in the past. Let me use this member, because I will keep the same components, the same registry members. I do not need to add what I did now, to extract it again, rename it. Oh shoot, I have a duplicate, let me check the name it had, it will be more time consuming. So that's one example. Dismember on topic level, when you have multiple components and you want one item for all of them or most of them. Let's pretend that I didn't want tasks. So let's say that, oh man, I'm not going to use the pending queue at all. So this color, let's see, this one, is yeah, let me get rid of it. I don't need it. But for topics, I may use the pending queue as a read later, something that I want to hit the search queries, but not to read, yeah, I could do it. So if I don't want to, I just get rid of the element that it was generated. See you in the next video.